Watch this video completely if you're planning to buy IQOO Neo 7 Pro 5G. Otherwise, there are chances that you will start crying after buying this phone. In this video, I'll tell you about 3 problems that are faced by some IQOO Neo 7 Pro users, and I will also suggest how these problems can be solved. One problem is related to the display, the second problem is because of the CPU, and third problem is a camera issue. The first problem is display problem, where there is a green tint at certain brightness when the phone is having a black screen like this. This only happens at a brightness of around 20 to 40%, and it's happening because of the fact that the green LEDs in the display are getting extra current, which makes them to produce this green hue, which is over all the other colors. This is definitely a hardware problem, but the issue is that the service center people will not accept this and will not give a replacement for this. The second issue is associated with the CPU and the RAM. Sometimes when you're opening heavy usage games or apps, the phone stops responding and the screen is just having this green-like appearance. The only solution for this is to press and hold volume down button and power button to force shut down the phone and then restart it. This problem usually happens on the 8GB RAM variant of the phone, especially when the battery is less than around 20 to 30%. Maybe because of the fact that the CPU is getting throttled because of lower power and lower RAM availability. The third problem is a camera issue that was faced by a lot of people after installing a new software update. IQOO Neo 7 and IQOO Neo 7 Pro users were facing this problem when they were trying to record videos at 1080p at 60 fps. The camera module keeps on shaking like this because maybe the OIS module is having some issue. The good thing is that this problem was fixed in a subsequent software update, so I think no one is facing it nowadays. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to watch this video in which I had talked about some other problems on IQOO Neo 7 Pro.